student, today we will learn about that how we will create a dance party animated theme using Scratch language in Amblock app. For this, first we will click on this Amblock app and then open a new page by clicking this plus sign. Click on this cross. First we will delete this panda sprite. Okay, now we will add some sprite. Before adding any sprite, remember that we will add those sprite here that have more than one custom. For example, this dinosaur, look at here, this dinosaur have 4 custom, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now we will start the coding. Event forever, taking the forever loop, and then go to look section and use this command. First we will taking this command here, next custom, because here we want that our dinosaur custom switch from this, then this. For this I will taking a command switch to next custom and run this. Look at here, the speed of switching is very high. For this we will modify our code, either taking this command we will take another command, that is switch to custom. It's a 4 custom, that I will take this command 4 times. Look at here, the 4 custom have different name. This is dinosaur 1A, B, C, D. Okay, choose here. First is A, second is B. You can take any series, any order, 3 and then 4, and adding some weight. Okay, I will choose the weight is 0.5 second, 0.5, 0.5, here also 0.5. Now start. Okay, fine. It seems that he is dancing. Look at here, you can also change the position. You can modify the custom also. If I want to modify this custom, for modification you will click on this pencil, then I want to flip this custom. Select this by selecting all the dinosaur sprite here and then switch it. Select all again select all and then switch it. Okay, and then save it. Here I have flipped this sprite. Okay, also you can modify any sprite, any custom, you can modify any custom like that. Okay, now again fine, same, I want to add more custom here. For adding, click on this plus sign, go to animal section, then taking this as a dinosaur sprite, same program, same steps should be follow here. Look at here, this dinosaur have also, this sprite also have 4 custom. Okay, same step should be follow. Go to control section, look section, switch the custom to 4 times, put in this loop, use the wait command here, same step. You can add here many sprite. Okay, fine, and choose okay. And you can also change modify the custom by clicking on the pen. Okay, look at here, these two custom are look similar, not more these two, not this one and this one. So I want to flip one custom, select complete custom and then flip it. Okay, now fine. Now we will want to reduce the size of the sprite by clicking on the parameters and then reduce the size 100 to 70. Select this sprite and reduce its size also 70. Okay, fine. Look at here, the sprite are seem like they are dancing. Okay, now I want to add one more sprite here. Click on this plus sign, go to animal section. I want to add same sprite, this one. Okay, you can choose any sprite anytime. Okay, I want to take here only 3 sprite. Same step, reduce the size of this sprite 100 to 70. Also flip this sprite, select complete sprite and then flip it vertically. Sorry. Yes, yes. Flip it vertically. Okay, and then save it. Now start programming. Same program that I have done for this, I will copy this program by touching the screen near the van flag. Click the window. This window should be open automatically. Then choose copy to other sprite and go to second, third sprite and touch the screen for few seconds. Then this window should open automatically. Then paste this sprite here. Okay, then run this. Fine. Now we will modify our background. Then go to background section. Choose any background by clicking this plus sign. Type here party. I will choose that sprite. Stays. Okay, put this dinosaur as a center. Okay, fine. Go to background section. Here first we want to add here color effect. Then first command is when flag click. Then use forever loop. Go to control section, use forever loop. Then go to look section. There is a command change color effect by 25. Replace 25 with 50. Okay, then run this. Okay, you can also add weight here, a 0.1 second weight to slow down the light effect. Okay, you can also increase the weight also 0.3. Okay, fine. One step is also remaining. Look at here, the sound should be must in party. For adding the sound effect, go to sound section. Choose start sound pop command here. Add a sound. Dance party. Anyone sound? Okay. Dance celebration. Fine. Like there is a need of weight also. Add a weight of 1 second. Then fine. Stop it. Now you want to add, if you want to add the color effect in your sprite, you can do this. First you click on the extension, then add mobile block, add it, use the command when finger slide up, when finger slide up. Okay, here I want to control the color effect by clicking by sliding our finger up and down. First we will choose up and second down. Okay, then go to look section and choose the change color effect by 25. First is 50 and this is minus 50. Okay, run this. You can see that the dinosaur, center one dinosaur color effect can be controlled by sliding the finger up and down. Okay, same step can be done for other two sprite. Copy this and paste here. Also paste in this. Okay, same, copy the sprite and paste. Fine, and run it. Look at here, in this game we will control the color effect of the sprite by sliding the finger up and down. Okay, fine. Thank you class.